Oh, pictures from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video we have something new to show you. We're having from the EasySMX. We have a new game controller. I will not say this is a budget controller, but it's more like an other brand. It's a very nice black box and nothing to say much about it. So let's check out what's inside. Alright people, this is what we're going to get. It comes with this little feedback voucher or paper. We're having here this time with a manual, game controller with some basic explanations how to reconfigure it. And it just works for Windows. So this thing is compatible with PlayStation 3 and PC. I'm going to test them out on the PlayStation 4, but they are not saying it's compatible with PlayStation 4, so keep that one in mind. The control itself, this is the wired version, so there is stuck with a cable. So if you're more like into this controllers with cable, this is maybe something for you. It's a rip-off from the Xbox 360. Very pleased with it because I really love the Xbox 360. It has this rubber grip on compound on the side. I really loved, give you extra grip. So the analog stick feels very nice. Got a very nice click to it. Ooh, the same for the shoulder buttons and the trigger. A little bit clickish, but I must say they feel very nice. These buttons also feel very good. Select start, turbo button and the home. So yeah, even the D-pad is exactly the same. So shall we grab ourselves an Xbox controller, because I'm very curious. What are we going to, is this exactly the same one-on-one copy? It feels nice, it feels heavy. So yeah. Alright, let's grab ourselves an original Xbox controller, because I want to know, is it the same mold? No, it is. The Xbox controller is a little bit bigger, so for the people who have smaller hands, this knockoff will have a better grip for you. So basically the rest is almost the same. There's some small changes to the D-pad. The touch is very nice on the button. This got a little different click, but then overall not bad at all. A little bit loose if you compare this with the original one, but still feels very comfy. Alright, so we checked it. It's not an exact one-on-one copy, but let's plug it in the PC and let's see what happens. Alright, it's plugged in into my Windows 7 PC. Oh, I want to say 10. But yeah, it works. It works just fine. It has been recognized by an Xbox 360 controller, so that's a very good thing, because Xbox 360 controllers are supported by a lot of games, even homebrew games. Alright, I'm going to be very easy. Just want to see the movements. Everything works fine. The D-pad is feeling very nice. Alright. No, don't want to see the intro. Don't want to see it, just want to fight. I want to fight with you. Come on. Yes. Alright. Here it goes. Feels very nice. Very responsive if it comes to the moves. Unlock is the same thing. Alright. Oh yeah, going great, going great. Going great! Yeah! So I'm noticing this is playing very well with this controller. So, for the final conclusion about the EasySMX, it's a plug-and-play controller. I didn't notice any problems with Windows 7 or Windows 10. It instantly recognized the controller as an Xbox 360, and that is very convenient because a lot of homebrew or original games or official games are recognizing this controller. So it's just literally plug and play, it works perfectly. It seems to be that it's also compatible with PlayStation 3 and even with Android, but so yeah, this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this, I really love to know. And thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell, and check out the gaming channel if you're into gaming. See you next time, bye bye.